Hey sister friends, and welcome back to another video. If you don't know me or you're new here, I'm Jay, and this is my channel J.Westbrook, where I give you all the kinky, curly, coily inspiration and a little vanity in pink. I always like to start just by parting with my fingers, just to get an idea of where I want the hair to be and how much hair I like to be in the front. This depends just on how far back you want like your twist to go, or essentially like how much hair do you want out in the back. That'll be up to you, but I think I like maybe this much hair out in the front. Once you have your hair all sectioned out, then you just want to start on the twist in the front. For the twist, what you want to do is start with a part down the middle. Do y'all know how serious it is for your part down the middle to be straight? It's that serious. But if you've ever seen my reels, Dear Diary, I'm a black girl and I can't part, that is so real. Like, I'm gonna try to get this middle part as straight as possible, but if it's crooked, don't even mind me. Don't even mind me. And if you could part your hair straight, what, you think you're better than me? Low key, in that area, you are. So kudos to you. But I might not be able to get this thing all the way together. Does that look straight to y'all? I don't know. But we're gonna rock with it. That is crooked. Hold on. Is that straighter? Once you have your hair parted in the sections, 1, 2, 3, one big one in the back, you want to go ahead and get started on the flat twist in the front. If you don't know how to flat twist, you will need to know how to flat twist for this video. I'm going to very quickly explain how to flat twist. Kinda, not really. I'm gonna show you how to flat twist. Actually, I'll take that back. I'm not gonna tell you, but I'm gonna show you. I went in and put some curl enhancing smoothie. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I put some of this curl enhancing smoothie just on my scalp in the middle of these parts, just because my hair was a little dry and a little flaky, so I want to take care of that because I didn't wash my hair before this, so whatever. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay this down. I'm not gonna like put any edge control on this right now, I don't think, maybe. Because I'm not trying to use so much, like I said, but I am going to use this Cantu Shea Butter Wave Whip Curling Mousse. And I'm going to put this on the flat twist, okay? On there. Just to kind of set them down a little bit. And once I have that all on there, y'all know my favorite part is kind of laying it down and things like that, just for like the big reveal and the unravel afterwards. But I'm just gonna lay these flat twists down. Now, I know some people use scarves, some people use those like edge laying wig thingy-mer-bobs that you can buy from the beauty supply store. Those are cool and all, but nothing beats an old pair of tights, like this elasticy, stretchy material. I think this is the best tool ever that you can use to lay your edges, lay your braids, mold, whatever. This is the best to me. You can see I just cut up an old pair of tights here, and this is what I use. I don't know what it is about the material, but it just works for me, and it never leaves me astray. So I'm just gonna take that and wrap it around town. But I'm gonna wrap it around town. Bring it around town. I think that's what it is from SpongeBob. But I'm gonna do that. And just make sure it's covering as much as possible. Like I said, we're gonna worry about these little edgy parts later. Okay. Okay, sister friends, so I have all of the braids in with my perm rods on the ends. I ran out of these really small pink ones, so I had to opt for like the purple ones that were like maybe 2 sizes or so up. We're just gonna have to make it work. But I think that I'm going to sit under the hairdryer. But as promised, I'm taking some of this mousse and I'm gonna just take a little bit and I'm gonna put it like on the braids, just because I kind of want them to set a little more. And I think that this mousse maybe will help aid in that process. I don't know, but typically I would probably keep these in overnight to get like maximum effect, or I would have like kept them in for like hours. But because I came on here for y'all, for you specifically, sister friend, I am going to sit up under the hooded dryer and just pray that it has enough time to set to where I can come on here, unravel it, and it looks like something. But if it don't, I'm blaming y'all. It's y'all fault. See, my love for y'all is going to bring me to the point of possibly not having very defined curls at the end of this. But either way, it's all good. Hey sister friends, so this is the final look and this really blew my expectations. I was only up under that hooded dryer for maybe about 45 minutes, so, and not 45 minutes straight. So I was very nervous about whether or not these braids would actually dry, and they really did. Like, I love it. It's very cutesy. I like the little bob length that I have. I think what I'm gonna do to make sure that I get like the final result that I want is I'm going to make sure I go back through and fluff this out tomorrow. But I don't want to do it for the rest of this evening because I'm scared that it's not dry all the way. And you know that if your hair is not dry all the way and you have this texture hair, the style is just throw it away, like out the window. So I'm gonna just braid it back up tonight, put the perm rods back on there, bonnet on, then in the morning when I unravel it, I'll actually unravel it 2 or 3 times so I can get that really big voluminous hair that I like when I have styles like this. So thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know if you're gonna try it below. What did you think of my process? Do you have any tips and tricks for myself or the collective, for other sister friends who are watching? Just let us know in the comments. Let's chit chat about it.